Okay, so this is I believe this is a Brown and Sharp. No, that's an Abrasive brand surface grinder. And a couple of regular grinders here, or actually one of them's got buffing wheels on it. And then your classic antique bank of drill presses. Back to buffers and grinders here. Okay, let's see if we can squeeze through this row. Oh, yeah, he fits. All right, and then we've got a Taft Pierce surface grinder. I used to have one of those, proudly owned by Ben Carter, who actually cleaned it up and is using it. Then up here, the thing with the T-slotted table is another tap burner kind of machine. Then
Ovens,
a heat treat oven.
MIG welder.
And no, actually that's a modern plasma cutter.
Okay.
I don't know how something modern got in here. And acetylene rig. And this is a threading machine.
Helps when you stand in front of it.
Does?
Yeah.
Makes it look prettier.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'd be more like Vanna White.
Uh-huh. Then another larger surface grinder.
Okay.
You know, take a pan down the wall and show them how many electric boxes there are lining that wall. And that goes on all the way to the other end of the building. There's a box about every 6 feet. Okay. Good old plastic wood workbench with a little baby vise on it. Looks to be probably an 8-inch jaws. And then if you walk this way and spin around, there's a belt sander, small one. More workbenches, some sanders and grinders. And this is one of his pride and joys. It's a Rollin Bandsaw, where the material on the table sits still and the cutting blades rolls into it. And it's got a weighted automatic feed system on it. Okay, and we've got another slightly smaller bank of drills. Anybody has ever seen these drill presses with a stubby column and wonder where on earth they came from, this is what they were originally. And he's got another bending brake there, arbor press, a larger box and pan brake back there, Chicago label on it. Okay, now we can go up this side spur. We've got a pair of dual saws. And these puppies have power feed for the table, variable speed. And he's got a really nice Niacro press brake. And then his medium large lathe here.
And these other sides over here,
Pardon?
other drill presses here. Milling machine, whatever.
Now, this is a Clousing Colchester lathe. And I helped him get his digital readout working on it. Okay, come around here, there's a radial arm drill. Classic round column one. Okay. And then this is a old school drill press, and the instead of having a traditional quill, it's got a slightly different arrangement. That's an Allen, got a big table on it. Okay, then this is a Moore jig boring machine. Complete with a drill chuck, which is not what you typically would use in one. And Powermatic drill press. Okay. Another Powermatic drill press. And then there's a rolling ram style radial arm drill press. This is a Rockwell. Yours truly here has got one of these for sale. Okay, and then tucked back in here is a Kearney and Trecker horizontal milling machine. You can get far enough over there to get the face of it. And put down a time marker here. We're halfway there. Okay. There's a Trinco blasting cabinet, sandblasting cabinet. And over here is a Sun and Home